Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to do my little project on my screened-in patio. I'm going to take all this stuff off the patio and I'm going to put some new fake grass down and then I'm going to record it all. It's going to be in hyperlapse and I will show you. This is the before, what the carpet looks like before. And then I'm gonna show you a thing after. So right now I gotta get all this stuff off here. My husband's gonna help me get the heavy stuff down, but I told him this was my project, so I wanted to do it. I gotta cut it, and I will show you when I'm cutting it and everything else too. Now I have all the essential tools. I'm gonna put up some magnetic screens. I got these little cheap things from Temu, so I'm going to replace those. I got my magnetic screens I'm gonna put up. Got my knee pads. I got my cutting shears that I'm gonna cut this carpet with, and the blue line thing so I can cut it straight on the blue line. Alright, so that's my project, and I will see you when I'm finished in a couple of hours, and I'll tell you how long it took me to do this, okay? As you can see later on in the video, my husband did end up helping me, and when I say this was a task, I didn't think it was going to take as long as it did, but I'm so thankful for him. Alright everybody, see I'm sweaty, wet, because now it is raining outside. Everything is back in. And I filmed it on my Action 4. I did a time lapse on it. So it took me about 4 hours. If I didn't have to go to the store or anything like that, it probably would have been about 3 hours and 15 minutes, 3.5 hours. But this part is all done. Tomorrow, or maybe tonight, I don't know, probably tomorrow, I'm going to put up, let me show you. I'm going to put up the magnet screens here for the screen doors, and also for the patio door. Okay, so it's raining. Whew. As they say, hey, keep posting. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Don't forget to tell a loved one you love them, because tomorrow is not promised to anyone. Stay thankful, grateful, safe, and healthy. And if no one told you I love you today, guess what? You heard it from me. I love you. So, hey, check on your loved ones. And I will catch you on the next video. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Love, love, love. Ciao for now.